New leaks are giving an early look at the upcoming Google Pixel 11 Pro, and the reaction so far is mixed. Instead of bringing something fresh and exciting, the design seems to play it very safe. For a phone expected to launch in just a few months, this has raised some serious questions about whether innovation is slowing down. According to the latest renders, the Pixel 11 Pro looks almost identical to the Google Pixel 10 Pro. At first glance, it's actually hard to tell the difference between the two. The same camera bar design is still there, the same overall shape remains, and even the front display appears unchanged. This suggests that Google is sticking with a design language introduced back with the Pixel 9 series. Instead of pushing things forward, there is one small visual change, but it's not something that immediately stands out. The camera bar now has a more uniform background that blends better with the rest of the phone's color. In the previous model, the area around the flash had a slightly different finish, which added a bit of contrast. This time, everything looks more consistent, but also less unique. It's a subtle tweak, and for many users, it may not even be noticeable. The dimensions have also changed slightly, but again, the difference is extremely minimal. The Pixel 11 Pro is said to be just a fraction thinner and smaller than its predecessor. These changes are so tiny that they won't really affect how the phone feels in daily use. It still falls into the same category in terms of size and handling, which means there's no major improvement in comfort or portability. Another detail that stands out is the display. The phone is expected to keep the same 6.3-inch AMOLED panel. That's not necessarily a bad thing since Google's displays are already quite good, but it also means there's no visible upgrade in terms of size or overall experience. For users hoping for slimmer bezels or a new design approach on the front, this could be a bit disappointing. It's also important to note that these renders may not show every small detail, but they usually give a very accurate idea of what to expect, so even if minor elements change later, the overall design is likely final. That makes it clear that Google is focusing more on refinement rather than reinvention this time. When it comes to colors, the leaked images don't represent the final versions. The shade shown is not official, which means the company could still surprise users with new and interesting color options. However, color alone is unlikely to make a big difference if the design itself feels too familiar. Looking at performance, there is at least one upgrade expected. The Pixel 11 Pro will likely feature the new Tensor G6 chipset. This could be built on an advanced refinement process, which would bring improvements in efficiency and performance. If this turns out to be true, it would put Google in line with competitors using next-generation chips. However, not all the rumored changes sound positive. There is speculation that Google might reduce the RAM from 16 GB to 12 GB in order to control costs and maintain the same price. If that happens, it could be seen as a step backward, especially when other flagship phones continue to increase their memory. There are also rumors about improvements in face unlock technology, possibly making it more secure and reliable. Another potential change is switching from a Samsung modem to a MediaTek modem. This could improve connectivity and battery efficiency, but it will depend on how well it is implemented. The bigger concern here is not just about one phone, but about the overall direction. In a market where many brands are already playing it safe, standing out has become more important than ever. Even companies like Apple and Samsung are making gradual design changes, but they still try to introduce something noticeable with each generation. For example, Apple's shift in camera design with recent Pro models has changed the look of its devices. At the same time, Samsung continues to refine its flagship lineup while experimenting with foldables and new form factors. In comparison, Google's approach with the Pixel 11 Pro feels more predictable. The camera bar used to be one of the most distinctive features of Pixel phones. It helped them stand out in a crowded market. But now, as other brands explore new designs, that uniqueness is starting to fade. Without a bold change, the Pixel lineup risks blending in rather than leading. At the same time, it's understandable why Google might choose this strategy. The smartphone market is becoming more competitive, and taking fewer risks can help maintain stability. A familiar design can also be more appealing to users who already like the current look. But there's a fine line between consistency and stagnation. If every new model feels the same, excitement begins to fade. And for a flagship device, excitement plays a huge role in attracting attention and driving sales. In the end, the Pixel 11 Pro is shaping up to be a phone that focuses on small improvements rather than big changes. It may still deliver strong performance, a great camera, and a smooth software experience. But in terms of design, it doesn't seem to bring anything new to the table. For some users, that might be perfectly fine. But for others who expect innovation with every new release, This could feel like a missed opportunity. More leaks and details are expected to come out soon, and they could reveal features that change the overall perception. Until then, the Pixel 11 Pro looks like a safe upgrade rather than an exciting one. What are your thoughts on this design? Is playing it safe the right move, or should Google take bigger risks? Share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more latest tech updates.